He was deep in karma's slide.
Was a cycle like normal bass.
He was demented.
He just goes a little mad sometimes.
A feeling that intensified with each turn in the winding highway.
It's the first place it looks like it's hiding from the world.
He was demented.
A feeling that intensified with each turn in the winding highway.
It's the first place it looks like it's hiding from the world.
Began explaining one or two things. Apparently it was more important to find some guy called Norman.
Also, I'm going to pick him up later.
On the rise, like snake eyes, lost some ties, along with time, been advised, tried and true, best advice, keep them alive, revised, vision's been scrutinized, more times been utilized, open up the mind, and your eyes, see what you find, here's a sneak peek, what's inside, seek and find, what's inside, seek and find.
And if Norman had known what danger lay, he never would have left the highway.
Why you look loud? The fuck in the truck? The fuck out here for hours looking for you. Get in the fucking truck, motherfucker.